Hi, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you a workaround for the times when your hand tool won't work basically in Adobe Premiere Pro. So basically you're trying to pan around the program monitor and it just doesn't do anything. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first fix, if you haven't already done this, reset your preferences in Premiere Pro. And I have another video that shows how to do that. It'll be right up here at the top of your screen. And if that doesn't fix it, try this workaround. Right here at the bottom of the program monitor is this little wrench. So click that and then choose Show Scroll Bars. If it already has a check mark next to it, it means they're already on. And then you can just scroll like this. Another thing that might work is updating Premiere Pro, because I think this was a glitch, something that broke in an earlier version. Right now I'm on the 2026 version of Premiere. And that's it. Those are the 3 ways that I know to troubleshoot this issue. All right, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.